I'm still trying to get used to recording myself when I'm walking alone because I just constantly feel people are looking at me and judging me, but haters gonna hate.
The phone and the wallet are down, he means business, stretching it all.
Wait a second. Alright. Wait a
Beasting it up now. Big dog's food didn't Mozzarella on her little break from work.
Have you watched these? Paddy Poo over
I fucking love crepes. Big time. Breakfast, lunch and dinner. Crepes.
All day.
Hiya, young lad. You alright? Are you? Yeah.
Out of work and I completely forgot how sore your feet get.
Look at that day, like it's beautiful, so humid.
Lads, what's the story with this weather? It's so warm. I feel like I'm in San Francisco. I can't even put in words how excited I am that my auntie is having a baby. Like, I cannot wait to cuddle him and just like hold him. I cannot wait. And I'm gonna like be so poor because I'm just gonna buy up everything on this world. I'm just gonna spoil him. I'm on my way home now to give Parker his first little bath. Parker, are you going for your first shower? Oh, not feeling up for it. Are you gonna have your first shower? Yeah? Oh, that's something in my teeth.
What's in there? Huh? What's in there? Good boy. Good boy.
Are you not sure how you feel about it? Oh.
He looks so sad.
Are you traumatized? Oh, he's shaking so much.
You're such a good boy. He smells so good. Mwah.
Good boy. Just spent the past 2.5 hours editing yesterday's vlog and I'm proud of myself.
Only problem is I'm rich. She was kicking in gratuity.